Hi guys, it's Dave's vlog. We are with my brother, my mum, and my dad, and myself.
Hi!
Yeah! What are we doing today then, Chris?
We're doing another mini mystery boxes, but
It's massive. Look, we've got 40 boxes.
yeah,
What are they?
they are
Can I read it?
animals.
Animals? What sort of animals?
Mini
Booze.
booze.
Collectibles.
Collectibles.
They're hand painted.
Okay, so we want to get a close up of what they look like.
Any of that, there's 12.
12 to collect.
Can they
Yeah.
see?
There's 12 to collect, but we have a whole box.
What
Four.
does that you grab on?
We've got
I got
one. I passed in one.
Whole box bought.
So we gotta open up, see what we've got. Oh,
And
I've got a
40.
orange bag.
I got an orange.
Oh.
Wait,
Oh,
I can
we
feel
got-
something.
I got a blue bag.
I've got a green bag.
We have. Oh, they're fluff, like little fluffy.
But mine's hard.
I got a whale. No, seal. Seal? Whale. Seal? Whale.
Wait.
I don't know. What is it?
Let me
Oh,
have a
what
look.
I got?
That is Icy the Seal.
Oh.
I got Waddles. Waddles the
Okay.
penguin.
Look what I got.
Oh, we've already got double.
I already got double.
Got two penguins. No, two
No,
seals.
we've got 2 Icies.
Okay. Let's just put
I
the
don't get to
box
see
in
what they
the-
got.
Let me try.
I'm trying to help you because
Aww.
Chris is struggling to open it. Oh,
Hey, go.
Green pack.
What you get, Chris?
A giraffe.
I got
Safari. Chris
I got
got
blue.
Safari the giraffe.
I got blue.
That's the giraffe. So we see that one? What do you
I got an
Yeah.
owl, I think. Yeah,
Can
I
I
got
see
the
the
now.
penguin?
Yeah.
I got
hold on.
Blue.
Ah,
And that's the penguin.
another Icy.
Ooh, interesting.
So we have 3.
Oh wait, I think we've got another one.
3. Zach got the owl.
I'll show the owl.
I'm an owl.
We got another icy.
What? I got 4 ices.
That is, what's that one called? That is called Sammy. Sammy the owl.
Sammy the owl.
I think we got another one.
Another penguin.
Oh.
Another penguin.
Another penguin.
Guess what?
What? Another icy. That's 5. They're all
We
good.
need to get a different
Do you
one.
know what? What I think I got?
No!
Another? I got another owl.
Got another icy.
I got another owl.
Yeah, guess what?
Seriously?
I think I may need to take this box back and ask him for a refund.
That's how many?
6?
7.
7?
A giraffe.
Okay, great.
Another giraffe.
We got another giraffe.
8.
Another penguin! Woohoo!
Oi. 8.
8!
I see you've got a population.
I think we're getting
Make that 9.
overpopulated of seals. Another penguin!
Yeah. Make that 9 seals.
Another penguin.
Wait,
Oh, another owl.
That's the seal.
Another owl.
we've got another seal.
Another owl.
Oh, hang on. Have I got a
Another
different one?
seal.
I got another.
What? I never keep forgetting more.
And another giraffe. I got a giraffe. I think
Oi.
I've got the most seals at the
Are
moment.
they all
haven't I?
seals and giraffes and owls?
And penguins.
Another penguin.
Another
hang on.
penguin!
I think I've got a penguin.
Why do you keep on getting a penguin?
Oi.
A penguin.
Penguin.
Oi, oi, what is it? What is it?
It's another.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna take 2 of them.
We got a family of seals.
Oi, I think this is it as well.
I've got an owl.
I got that.
Wait, guess what it is, guys? Dun dun dun!
I got
Giraffe.
I'm chucking on Chris's wheelchair.
What is it now?
I
Can
got
you
blue.
guess what it is?
An
yet?
owl.
I've got a penguin.
Oi, what's this? Down.
Another owl.
Oi, you know what people get for Christmas, yeah?
Penguins, owls, and giraffes.
And seals.
Oi.
Oh my!
It's another one, isn't
Chris.
it? Oi.
Last one.
It's another seal.
Oi, can you guess what it is yet?
Can you guess what it is yet? It's an owl.
It's another
Seriously.
owl.
Another one.
What? The odds. The odds.
More seals.
Another seal.
No.
Last one. What does people think it is?
A seal.
An owl.
One owl.
A
You said seal.
Yeah.
You said owl.
Seal.
A giraffe.
Penguin.
It's a penguin.
It's a penguin. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 penguins.
Right.
10 penguins.
How many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
16 seals. So then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 owls, and 6 giraffes.
Oh my goodness. Anyone want a seal? Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe.
If you want a seal,
Or penguin.
comment, like, subscribe, find a way to send us a message, and we will send you a seal.
And
Or a giraffe.
or an owl
Or
or
a
a penguin.
penguin.
Just
We have
comment,
all of them.
subscribe, and every YouTube
Well,
video that we
the
do.
odds. That's just what?
So there's 12 to collect. We
You
have
get
40
like-
boxes.
Out
And
of 40
4
boxes,
animals.
we got
4
4 to
animals.
12.
We got 4. That was 40 quid for that whole box.
That's £40 for the whole box.
40 quid for that whole box. So each one of these little boxes is £1.
And yeah, we got seals for breakfast now.
So, no
For
monkey.
breakfast?
And dinner, and lunch, and
Hey,
rest of our
they're
life.
good little Christmas presents, right?
They're pretty good for Christmas presents.
Make some earrings.
Yeah.
Yeah, Chris has got his
Or
earpiece.
you could stick them on tree, have little
Have the ages
decorations,
gone
little
now?
baubles.
Chris has his earpiece. We'll put one on Chris's ear, like a penguin or something. Just dangle a penguin from an earring.
You could take them to school and give them to your friends.
Yeah, why not?
I know Auntie Robin will want to steal one of them.
Only Robin want to steal all 10 of them. She's penguin loopy.
She'd want a whole family. You got a
Sure.
colony.
She want a colony
Well,
of penguins.
all I can say was that their breeding plan went really well this year. The breeding of seals. There's a
Not
lot.
so well on the giraffes. There's only 6 of these poor buggers.
These ones are fluffy. Those ones are plastic.
No, these have got a fluffy face.
Are they?
And the
Yeah, just
Oh
the
yeah,
face.
just the face.
And then it's
This
the
fluffy.
giraffes.
I can't believe how much we got of these.
Do you
Yeah.
want one?
No.
Do you want to give one to your sister?
Yeah.
well, the
Well,
Why?
the odds of that, we were thinking we must get at least one of
We
these
thought we'll at least get a full
sets.
set of all 12
But
because
Yeah.
of being so many.
Can you imagine
No,
buying another box and you get exactly the same?
I'm not buying another box for that reason of
No.
getting the exact same ones.
Yeah.
that's fine.
I think if Chris wants the other ones, he may just have to look on Amazon to see if he can get them singly.
Yeah. But it was interesting because
was
they're
funny.
cute, they're fun.
that was fun.
They're
It was-
Christmassy.
It was funny.
That was fucking fudging. That was
Funny!
funny. Yeah, fun
Well,
happened.
And yeah,
So, pick up a penguin.
Hang on, there was a rare one.
Where? Where's the rare one? Please tell me it says it's rare.
No, it doesn't tell you what it is. It's literally, it says it's a mystery character.
Well, we didn't get it, did we?
It looks like a raccoon.
Mystery.
It may be a coon.
it could be Zach.
Well,
Why would it be me?
what, so there's like, wait,
So there's actually 13.
there's actually 13. Oh look, I like the way you can actually tick off what you've got. So we buy what, 40? We
And we've
can
got-
tick off loads of these.
No,
really.
we can't tick off loads
We've
because
got-
we only got
We only got the penguin.
Waddles, Icy, Sammy, and Safari.
We didn't get none of these on that row at the back.
We didn't get
got the
Slush,
draft.
Duke, Kiki.
Oh, we got the draft. Okay.
We didn't get Fantasia, Bamboo, Leona,
Bamboo?
Coconut.
And
Pinky.
Pinky.
Chris's favourite colour's pink.
Zach's actually.
They
No.
both love pink.
No.
It's just a colour. Zach said it's just for girls.
That says for both.
Wait, I wonder if we can glue them. We do them as an ornament.
Do a pyramid of llamas.
They're like llamas.
No, like, you'd
We
have
might
to do.
have to do it like that. From two.
Just comment and subscribe if you want one of each. And like and all that. YouTube
Well, you
stuff.
can definitely have.
I hope they
a
give
thing.
out the mystery one.
Soon, it should have been in one of these boxes.
Yeah, we was like at least expecting more than 4 of one kind.
We
It's
were
all funny though.
expecting one of each.
That was funny.
It's all
Or
funny
two
though.
of each.
I think I opened most of those seals, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can do them now.
Well, yeah. What are you gonna do with them?
What?
Wrap one up for Granny. Wrap one up for Grandma.
So,
Give one to everyone in your class.
or a giveaway.
A giveaway.
Giveaway.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's if we do a giveaway, they can just like comment.
What's the giveaway for though?
For Christmas.
If anyone from school wants to one, just ask Chris.
Yeah.
Even though there's only like 2 or 3 people from school that watch it, isn't there?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
The main one being who?
Dun dun dun.
Who's the main one that watches it mainly? She leaves comments all the time, doesn't she?
Yeah, shout out to Destiny, you're awesome.
Shout out for everyone!
You still maybe spill my caramel from my churros today though.
That was funny.
Talk about.
I had mini churros with caramel in, and I was eating one, and Destiny made me laugh, and all the caramel came out the churro and got stuck in my beard. So I was standing there with the tissue, rubbing it out my beard. I can still smell caramel.
And
They need to shave it.
we were, my school doing a concert thing
A concert
in
thing.
town.
Yeah, you was, wasn't you?
Town.
Shall I put some of these in boxes?
You were
and
singing,
keep
weren't you?
safe?
Yeah,
Yeah?
What were you singing?
random Christmas
I
stuff.
want them back.
It wasn't random Christmas
We
songs.
put some of them back in, so then you can give them to people.
We'll put them all back in the boxes,
Okay, yeah.
because
We can do that.
Hmm.
Where
Yeah.
else should we talk about when we do this?
your giveaway that you want to do,
Yeah.
you wanted to do 2, wasn't it? One,
Yeah.
one for a
One
boy,
for boy, one for girl.
one for a girl.
You need to do YouTube stuff. All YouTube
What happens
stuff.
if they don't know what the YouTube stuff is though?
Like,
Well-
comment, and subscribe, and share and all that.
We're going to put 2 boxes together, aren't we?
Yeah.
One for a
I've done
boy.
that one.
Just grab any. It don't matter what's in what. One for a boy, one for a girl, and you may get one of these in there.
Yeah.
That's what would have been done.
Yeah, you definitely will get one.
definitely get a
4.
seal.
You can have all of them.
Yeah, you can have all of them if you want.
You, boy and a girl get 4 each.
Well, no, because there's going to be other stuff in the box. 'Cause
Yeah.
You're going to put like a little box together, so it's
Yeah.
not just going to be
Where to go
one
with
of these.
It's gotta be other
Well,
stuff.
why don't
so-
we do that when we know what we're putting in, and then they can show them what you get?
But then that'll ruin the surprise.
Oh, is it a surprise?
Yeah, so it's going to be a surprise box. Only we're going to know what's in there. We're not going to tell people this time, because last time Chris done a giveaway was Easter, wasn't it? And
Mhm.
everyone knew what it was because you showed them. No one's going to know what's in the boxes because it's going to be a surprise one.
And yeah,
I just think it'd be fun that way, though, doing a surprise one.
Look at your minions doing all the work for you.
He
With
doesn't do
minions.
He doesn't do anything.
I hope I'm getting paid for this.
you know,
Can I have one of each?
yeah,
Thanks. I'm gonna take that dude, that dude, that dude.
that if you want one.
Zach's
And
already
that
said he doesn't want one.
dude. That no, wait, which one's cuter? You look the same.
They all look the same!
Cute. Oh, they're all the cute.
They're all cute.
That's cute.
Hey, let's take that paper out.
No.
That is
Zach, can you get those 2 boxes over there that Chris threw over there?
Oh,
allowed.
you wanting one out of each?
Yeah.
one.
No, not the big one.
That can stay there.
We need to find a giraffe, guys. And an owl, so Chris can keep one.
Oh,
We'll sort it out after.
I think
Yeah.
this one
Do
was.
you want one of these?
leave that way, you're
That's
blocking the
fine.
camera.
Do you want one of each, Zach?
Yeah.
And
There's
my
one
love,
now in there.
my dad, lovely cat Brody.
You can't see Brody, so
He's
Is
in
he
my mum's
hiding?
wheelchair.
yeah, but
Sliding.
Zach's just been blocking the camera for like a good 2 minutes. So everyone's gonna be looking at Zach's back.
Yay.
Have a box.
That's important, eh?
No, I'm not.
Oh, that's nice things important.
Right. Are you gonna
Angel vlogs?
end it? We got a big one coming up though soon, haven't
Yeah.
we? We've got like five or six mystery boxes in the post coming.
Yeah.
So we've got Fairy Loot,
Yeah.
Geek Gear,
And the mom.
and then 3 from Demise. So we've got the Hero Power Up Pack for Zach, we've got the Power Up Pack for Chris, and then a one-off buy, because you don't actually have to do them as a subscription, is the
Princess?
Princess Power Up Pack for
So, just to see what.
just to see what it's like.
You can have Princess one if you like.
Yeah, I'll have a Princess one. I'll wear a tiara.
This has got none of them in.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
fine.
it's fine.
He's
I'll
still
put
a
some
big
down here.
princess,
He's a princess as well.
Here,
No.
pick up a penguin.
Right,
You two
you need to
princesses.
sit up so people can see when you say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!